everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm going to be organizing my room, and my room is such a mess right now, and I really want to organize it. And I finally got the time. It's the weekend. Let's get my organization spirit on and let's get started. Room and show you guys how messy it is. My god, it just looks insane, doesn't it? There's so much of clutter, and if you look at my cupboards, they might look organized, but literally they're not, and I can't even find a dress to wear from that. And literally my jewelry and my makeup, and like I don't even know. And there's this random couch in my room that I need to get rid of. And there's my backpack and just a whole lot of stuff on the floor, and there's clothes on that chair, and then this little furniture unit also has some clutter on it. And you know what, I just want to organize this room so badly, so let's get on with the video. I think I'm gonna first probably take everything out of the cupboards, and then I'll figure out where I should keep what. Okay guys, a slight change of plan. So I am taking out all the things from my cupboard and throwing it on the floor, but what that's happening is that my floor is getting slow cluttered up, and I don't think I'll be able to organize it, and it would take a lot of time with this much of stuff, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna segregate the items first into like probably craft, jewelry and clothes, and then I will put those in the cupboard and do something like that. I'm just gonna work on my way instead of dumping everything to the floor and then organizing it. That will take so much time, and there's so much stuff, so that's just not gonna work out for me for now. So let's just go with the flow. Okay, I've come to a conclusion that I am going to take all the craft supplies from here and put it on my couch. And so yeah, let's just do that first. So guys, it's been a while now and I am getting a little bit of progress. So I've got all of my craft stuff over there, and it is kind of coming together, but there is so much stuff. I feel like I'm never gonna finish decluttering this room, but it will happen. This is just the beginning. So yeah, those are my craft stuff, and there's actually more than that. I have to get it from the other room, and I'm gonna organize it in that cupboard right over there. So yeah, I'm just starting it, and it is going pretty good so far. Okay guys, so as you can see, there is a bit of progress with the clothes, and I just segregated the clothes in two piles, the ones I wanted and not the ones that I didn't wanted. So yeah, they're looking pretty good and I'm pretty excited. And I also segregated this pile, which are the clothes that need to be hemmed and or like altered, the clothes that need alterations. So yeah, I'm just gonna donate some clothes like that. I don't really need those clothes right now. So yeah, but as I was seeing, I found a lot of party stuff actually, so I would have to also think about that. And yeah, so I am making some progress, which is a great thing. Thumbs up for that. And yeah, I'm excited to, you know, get it all ready and good to go. So yeah, those are my craft stuff, by the way. I just took a break from that and went to the clothes. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take a short break from organizing, and I'm going to go shopping in this like street shopping area in our town, and it's quite nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go there and probably eat some karam dosa because it's so good. So yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay guys, so now we ended up in this little kitchen supply store. My mom loves like these kind of stuff. I'm just looking over the plates. They're actually really beautiful. They have flowers on it. And this shop also has a lot of decorative glass bowls and stuff like that, which I found they were interesting. So I found this coconut tree related something snack, and I'm gonna try it now. Okay, let's take a bite. Yeah, I was not a great fan of this. I did not really like it, but it was kind of good, I guess. It tasted like coconut, but it was not my favorite thing. Okay, now we are at the sweet shop, and this shop is really, really old. I think it was here before the independence, and I bought some goodies. So I bought some jewelry, and I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Now we're in the shoe store to get my mom some new slippers. Okay, guys, so now it's time for the haul. So, first up, I got this sticker packet. Then, I bought more stuff. So, firstly, there are these little small clips that I got for 10 rupees. Then, I got this Himalaya face wash. Yeah, so I got that. And again, yeah, my sticker packet. And I really like these because they were really small. And then I got this clutcher for my hair. I really like the lavender purple color. Then I got some jewelry. So I got earrings, of course. I am like obsessed with earrings at this moment, and I got these for 30 rupees. These little white earrings. I just really like these a lot. See, that's a better angle. Yeah, but these just sparked so much joy. I don't know why. I'm just obsessed with earrings. Then for 35 rupees, I got a leg chain. And it has like butterflies on it. And okay, guys, so I'm back home from my little shopping trip. And oh my god, it was so exhausting. I'm gonna show you guys what all I got as well. So yeah, but it was so exhausting, and so yeah, but I'm not gonna do anything right now. I'm probably just gonna change and then go to bed and probably organize a little more. So yeah, I'll first change and then be back.